XRP could make you a millionaire. How many XRP are you going to have to hold when the price hits a new all-time high, or even as high as $500 that I've heard some people quote? And we're going to break it down for you in this video, as well as taking a quick look at the potential appeal and what it means for you if you are holding XRP. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash a like on this video, and let me know how many XRP you hold in the comments down below. With that being said, let's take a quick look at the global market. We're currently sitting at about a $1.2 trillion market cap. Now, what's very interesting though, volume is significantly down. So when we talk about weekend trading versus midweek, we can see there's about a $20 billion difference with our trading volume. So we're down 40%, currently around the $20.76 billion. But when we take a look at XRP though, sitting around 75 cents, currently about 2.5% down, $1.4 billion in volume, as well as just under a $39.6 billion market cap. So we've seen a pretty substantial move in XRP. What is very interesting though, the circulating supply around 53%, so about 52.5 billion is the current circulating supply of XRP. So the question on everybody's mind, how many XRP do you need to hold to make sure that you become a millionaire when this goes? Now, a lot will depend fundamentally on price, and we've got some extremes of $583 that I literally saw in a news article, not a news article, as well as, you know, a potential more sensible $10, $20, $30 price for XRP. But we do have to take some things into account before we get to that point. So the time of writing, the current price of XRP stands at 77 cents. It has had a pullback to about 75, but the price of XRP, like other cryptocurrencies, is subject to market fluctuations and can change rapidly. So it's essential to keep track of the latest updates when considering investment decisions. Now, we do know that there's an expectation of Bitcoin being at 100,000, which would be about 3.5x. So if you take that and put that into XRP, you're talking about a $3.5 coin for XRP if it followed the same principles of Bitcoin. We can notice a big spike in price recently as it just won its case against the SEC, and we'll take a look at that appeal in just one second. The ATH price of XRP was $2.8, indicates a peak value XRP has achieved in the past. Now, this was the top peak of 2021 in that bull market. So if you wanted to become a millionaire using XRP, you have to determine it by a couple of key factors, which is fundamentally the $1 million divided by the price difference of all-time highs versus now. So if it was to get to $2.03, you're going to need to hold yourself 492,610 XRP approximately. That's where it gets interesting. So, you know, that's a very, very reserved judgment. If we were to say, and again, I have heard people talking about $583 per coin, you would only need to hold $1,715 for you to become an XRP millionaire if you were to hold right now. So very, very interesting. Now you've got to speculate and say, is XRP truly going to hit $583? Well, it's unlikely. I think it's fair to say it's unlikely. It's going to need a significant push up in the market, as well as probably huge mass adoption of cryptocurrency. But if we said, well, do you know what? $20 certainly feels more realistic. And actually, I would argue that $20 probably does feel quite realistic for XRP, given the fact that we're going to see institutions getting hold of it. We already know the banking sector is using it. Well, 52,164 XRP tokens right now, which some of you may even have out there, could get you to $1 million at $20 per coin. Suddenly seems quite realistic when it comes to XRP, and the potential is huge. I don't think anyone disagrees that actually adoption could come. And again, remember, if the SEC appeals and loses, we could see a significant move up in the price. Now, you're talking years down the line with mass adoption of cryptocurrency, as well as XRP with huge uses around banking institutions. But is $20 reasonable? Ask yourself that question. If your answer is yes, then remember, 52,000 coins is going to get you to that nearly $1 million. If you can hold, that's the big question. But what have we got coming with the SEC appeals? Now, this, just to be clear, has not been filed yet. The SEC has not filed an appeal, but people are speculating that this will come. Gary Gensler openly admits to not liking the decision and that they may even appeal it. But if they were to appeal the decision, they would have to do it based upon a couple of factors. And remember, the important thing here, Judge Annalisa Torres actually stated on her decision that it was fundamentally about the sales of XRP and not the token itself. It says here, the designation for the XRP sales was applicable only to institutional investors, and that the definition extension did not apply to XRP sales on the secondary market. So for me, and I think a lot of the people in XRP feel that this would be almost a waste of time, and what it would do, in my opinion, would only solidify and really staple XRP in the cryptocurrency history books. When we take a look at the price currently, we had a nice reversal. We bounced off this 7434 support range. We were talking about this on my live stream, coming back up off the 7-day EMA, RSI trending back into the middle as well. So we would expect a bit more of a push up if the market continues with us. Bitcoin has, and I don't care what anyone says, you may dislike the video for this, being manipulated like you wouldn't believe. We're seeing massive sell-offs and then instant buys back on it, and XRP no dissimilar the movement of the markets, but looking for a bounce off the 7, could be back up to test that 7613 range, heading back up to a potential 80 cents very, very soon. But remember, 52,000 is going to get you $1 million when that bull run hits. $20 for an XRP coin. Again, let me know, how many do you hold and what is your best all-time high price for XRP. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as part of our community. Come and join the live streams. They're super fun, super informative. It's a fantastic community. Smash the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.